How to change keyboard language in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language in Windows 11. Whether you are bilingual or need to switch between different language inputs, knowing how to do this can greatly enhance your user experience. So let's start the video. On your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language tab on the left panel. Here, click on Language and Region. A new window will appear. Now in Preferred Languages section, click on Add a Language button. Now select your desired language. From the list, you can also search by typing a name. We are going to add Hindi language, so click on it. Now click on Next. Keeping everything at default, click on Install. A new language has been added, as you can see on the taskbar. English is our current language, so click on it. Now select Hindi from the list. So this is how you can simply change keyboard language in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.